In this video, we will see how a supply chain actually works, step by step, using a simple real-world flow. This is Supply Chain Decoder, providing simple explanations of how supply chain works. Every supply chain starts with demand. Someone wants or needs a product. Without demand, nothing moves. Once demand is known, companies plan how much to produce, when to produce, and where to source raw material. Next comes sourcing. Raw material or components are purchased from suppliers based on cost, quality, and reliability. After sourcing, manufacturing begins. Materials are converted into finished or semi-finished products. Finished products are then stored in warehouses. Inventory is held here until it is needed to move out. Transportation moves product between suppliers, factories, warehouses, and customers. Finally, products reach customers through stores, distributors, or direct delivery. Two-way information flows along product. Orders, forecasts, and tracking data keeps the system running. Money flows in the opposite direction, from customers to companies, companies to suppliers, and suppliers to manufacturers. This is how a supply chain works end to end. In the next video, we will explain the key functions that manage this flow.